In this quick tip video, we're going to be looking at the Huntron Workstation tester pane. Now, when normally working in Huntron Workstation, you may be using the interface that has these four panes. You've got your tree, prober, image, and signature panes. And if you go to the window menu, you'll see that you can enable or disable each one of those four panes. But you'll also notice that there is a selection for tester pane. So if you select that, it brings up a simplified user interface that just allows you to maybe open a file, type in serial number or operator information, select a sequence, do an alignment if you have an access prober, and then start the test and get your results. So this is just a simplified interface. But normally you wouldn't get to this interface the way we did by going to the window menu and selecting tester pane. So what we'll do is go ahead and reset these panes. So you can see now we're back in the regular developer's interface. So what you would do if you wanted to use the tester pane, you would go to the Huntron Workstation shortcut and create a duplicate of that. But before we do that, let's go to the Tools menu, select Options, and then on the right-hand side, you can see the Test tab. This allows you to have controls over what is shown in the tester pane. You can have the user be able to open files, select from sequences, show the signature pane. You can auto print or PDF if you want to document the troublesheet results, and also control the detail level in that troublesheet. So we'll go ahead and turn on the file open, and we'll save that. So now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and close Huntron Workstation. And then on the desktop, you can see our Huntron Workstation shortcut. And of course, this opens Huntron Workstation into the developer's environment. So we want to create one that does that straight into the tester environment. And to do that, you can right-click, select Copy, and then just go ahead and paste it right back to the desktop. So we'll select Paste. You can see we have a new shortcut there. So what you would want to do is rename this shortcut. And then the next thing would be to right-click on that shortcut and select Properties. And then for Target, which describes what program to open with that shortcut, we're going to modify that. You can see it's set for Huntron Workstation, but we're going to put at the end of that line, just after the quotes, a space, / and then uppercase T, tester. We'll click Apply and then click OK. And we now have that modified tester shortcut. Now, if you're going to be using this maybe in a manufacturing environment and you want to open directly to the tester interface, you may not want to have the regular shortcut to Huntron Workstation available. So what you could do is you could right-click on that and delete that. I won't do that for the sake of this demo, but you may not want to have that shortcut available if you're having operator level people using the system. So now if you click this tester shortcut, it'll open up Huntron Workstation essentially in the background. Okay, so now you see the tester pane open, but it's a little bit different than when we saw it before. You notice that all the menu items across the top, with the exception of File, are missing. And if you do click on File, you see it only has the ability to exit. Now, if there are any custom toolbar buttons that were assigned to that particular sequence or board, those will be displayed here in the toolbar. But you can see you have just the normal tester interface controls available here. We did enable the ability to open a file. And again, you can put in serial number, operator information, select a sequence, have the ability to align if you're using a robotic prober, and then start and stop the tests and get the test results as needed. So this is just a simplified tester interface that an operator level person can use. Feel free to view any of the other videos on the Huntron YouTube channel. And as always, thank you for watching.